All right, welcome Maris and Maris. So it was about $11,000 in earned commission in August of 2025, correct? That's awesome, awesome. Really glad. So welcome in Maris. I appreciate you coming on the channel here. So just to kind of give yourself a little bit of a background, just introduce yourself and kind of go walk me through your journey previously up until this point in TikTok Shop.
Sure. So I started TikTok Shop in October of 2024, and I got my first sample in, and I made a video with my son how to use a face product to wash his face, and it's the most terrible video. Like it's like 3 minutes long, and it went viral the first week. So I had a great first month, and I thought, man, this is so easy. And then November got a little tougher, then December got a little tougher, and then January the bottom fell out. And I had a couple of good months since then, but nothing really significant. And I tried everything. I listened to everybody. I tried every strategy under the book. I tried lots of items, no, one or two items. I joined this group, that group, the other group, and something was missing. Something was really missing. And I learned a lot. I did a lot with lives. I was pretty successful with lives over the holiday season and Q1 into 2025. But there was just always something that was missing. And so I started watching your content, I think, like right when you started posting TikTok
Really?
kind of tips and stuff. And I was like, who's this guy? And I'm like, yeah, he's really interesting. And so I would try some of your strategies, and I'd have some mixed results and stuff. And I just kept watching. And so finally, in late July, I contacted you, and I was like, okay, I'm ready to try this because I am missing something. I have a degree in marketing. I know how to talk. I know how to, but I'm doing something wrong, and I don't know what it is. And I signed up for your course, and the first thing that I really realized was that I've watched a lot of courses about TikTok Shop, and they're almost all the same. And I felt like yours was like mind blowing. There was so much great content in there, and I could put some of those strategies into place immediately, and I saw a huge difference. And so I posted my first post kind of with your strategy on August 1st. You and I talked, I think, on the 7th, and you were like, yeah, no, your content's still off. You gave me a few tips. I blew up on August 10th, and I haven't looked back. So it's just been wild. And right now, thought I would tell you this today. Last month and even through September, the first few days of September, I'm averaging a sale for every 257 views.
It's 257 now. No way.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. That's one of the best that I've ever heard. And that's why so many people, I think so many people have this wrong concept of like, oh, you have to go like mega viral, but there's no point in going mega viral if you can't convert the actual content, right? So what was, for example, the way
And
that
I've
I
done
do.
that, by the way. I had a video with
Oh yeah.
2.6 million views in 48 hours, zero sales.
That is painful. That is painful. So,
Yeah.
obviously the strategy that I talk about and that you're now implementing is vastly different than 99% of people in the way that they do TikTok Shop. What was your initial thought? Were you like balled in from the beginning, like, okay, I can see this working? Because a lot of people that have some amount of success in the past, sometimes they have this like mental roadblock in their head, like, I just don't like, I believe it, but they just have a hard time implementing. Were you balled in from the beginning, or like, what was your thought process?
Well, I think I bought into it because I just couldn't figure anything else out to work, and I had tried pretty much everything else. And so I knew that you had a formula that worked, but I just had to like set aside not my ego, but in a way that I just had to like kind of, start from scratch. And I think the hardest thing for me, and it still is, there are two things. One, I like to overcomplicate things. So I like to like really sit and think it through and like, how does this work? Why does it work? And so that can be hard for me. But the other thing is, I see so many creators, and I think a lot of, I now understand now, are like older creators. They've been on here for a while, maybe through algorithm changes, is multiple items. There's some creators that can just do a different item every 5 minutes, and they just knock it out of the park. I cannot do that. Like, my account will not do that. And I couldn't understand why, and I still don't really understand why, but that was probably the hardest thing for me when I started working with you, was to give up on multi-items. And now it makes it it makes it effortless. And I should tell you this too, I make 3 videos a day for that account. That's it. So when I look back at my videos for August, I think I had 89 for that account. So you hear people, and so that was the other thing that was hard to give up, was like, everyone's like, you need to make 20 videos a day. And I would always beat myself up because I'm like, I can't do 20 videos a day. I don't have time. Or they're really crappy videos. I can do 20 that are really bad. So that idea of making, 3 to 5 really good videos a day, and that's it, and leaving it there, it's worked, and it's done what I've needed it to do. And that was hard to kind of believe at first, but it works.
It's a bad trap that so many people get caught in, because it's like you always have this nagging feeling of like, oh, I could get more videos out. Then you almost feel like guilty. It's just like this dangerous trap. How many videos like were you posting when you had your good months, many months before that, or even like the bad months in between?
It was in the bad months I was probably posting more. So I was trying to do like 8 to 10. And
Wow.
and I was having some success. It wasn't that I was having none, but I was really struggling, and I was really struggling to find consistency. And the other thing I was really struggling with were my niches. Because, over here your account says these are your niches, and then over here it says these are your niches, and then Kade says this is your niche. And so I was like, okay, well, maybe I should run over here and do electronics, and I should go over here and do skincare, and I should go over here and do house stuff. And so I was constantly like trying to find, and oh my gosh, picking my products, yeah, I was not using any strategy whatsoever. And once I saw your method behind that, I was like, man, this is embarrassing. I should know better. But I was just, oh, I like that, let's try that. And then I would not get anywhere with it. Then I'd be super frustrated. And meanwhile, my husband is like, what is going on with the UPS man? Does like he live here or something? So now I don't get any samples. Now it's like if I want something, I can buy it, but I don't have the samples coming in. I don't have that trap, that pressure or anything like that. So fewer videos, fewer products, less time. And now that I've been doing it for a month, it's easier to make a video. It doesn't take as long. I don't have to think about it as much. It all makes sense. But I cannot believe that no one else is really teaching the things that you're teaching. It's kind of wild, actually.
Yeah, it's all about putting yourself in the right position. And I remember specifically one of our, I think it was like our first or second call or something like that. I was talking a lot about what you needed to do to improve your videos. So like after that kind of call, I remember we came back the next week and you implemented those things like that. So like walk me through kind of that week. I was like, usually it takes people a couple of weeks to kind of make some of those changes. What was going through your head? Because that's why you've had the success in the quick period of time that you've had, because you took those changes and overnight fixed them, almost to perfection, be 100% honest.
Well, it's funny because one of the first things, I watched the course and I started making videos on August 1st, and then I met with you on August 7th and you're like, yeah, I know your videos are not right. And I was like, how did I watch that and still make videos wrong? And I think it was because I just had a comfort zone. And the first thing, and it's so embarrassing, the first thing you're like, girl, you need to back up. Like your face is way too close to that camera. And I was like, oh gosh, you're totally right. But part of that is a lot of beauty and skincare videos are really, they make them really close, and they don't need to be. That's what I've learned from you, is they don't need to be. That's probably the biggest change I made, was backing up from the camera and repositioning where my head is. And then really it's about, I still wasn't leading with problems, and my hooks were still really bad. My hooks were too long, and they were, I don't want to give away all your secret sauce, but really once I understood how it is that you want us to create our hooks, I was like, oh, okay. And it was like probably the 4th video after I was on the call with you that I had my first viral video. But the best part is they just keep rolling through. I
remember it was like that second or third week or something like that. Freaking out isn't the right word, but you were like, I'm getting like 300 views, like one sale. And at the time you were like, oh my gosh, this is not terrible. But you're like, what is going on? I'm like, that is great. It's going to crack. And I remember specifically you sent that message. You went from like what, 4 sales to like 300 the next day or something absurd.
It went 4, 4, 8. 483 and then 700 and something, and it has maintained that. And what's really funny is that product, first of all, I think it's really important to say that like $64,000 of that 84,000 GMV from August was on an $8 product.
Yeah.
So I think that's really important for people to understand that it doesn't have to be like, you would think with a higher GMV like that, it would be a, more expensive product. But I only made videos for that product from August 1st to August 19th because they were having a hard time shipping, and I was getting really nervous because I was seeing cancellations, and I was like, oh. So I switched to a new product, and it only took me 4 days for that one to go viral. And so now I'm in a really unique position. I still haven't posted on that original product, and I think today I've sold 350 of them.
My gosh.
So I haven't posted on them at all. And so Yeah, it works. Like the method absolutely truly does work. And it's you have to just kind of take a step back and let go of everything that you think you know, or maybe what worked before and what worked or what someone else said works. And if you trust the process that you've outlined, it works. And it can work very quickly if you really do, watch. I can't tell you how many times I've watched your course, and
Really?
of all the different things that I've been in that have had courses I've had to force myself to watch them once. So I keep going back to it and I'll watch, I'll keep watching, but because all the answers are in there. And if you just trust that process, it's really great.
I think too, a lot of the problems that people run into is they'll have good months and then they'll kind of fall off a cliff. How do you feel in terms of confidence going into the rest of the couple of months? Like, do you feel like, hey, I see how this is happening, and most important, I feel confident that this can be done over and over and over again?
Yes, I really feel like there's a system here. I feel like I know what to look for. I know how to pick a product now, but I also know how to watch my data. I love data. I always looked at the algorithm data, but I never really looked at the product data. So that was definitely the piece that was missing for me. So now that I know how to look at that and overlay that with how my account is performing, I think I know I was watching the wrong things. I was watching the wrong metrics, if you will. And so now that I know the right metrics to watch for and to look at, and then when choosing a product, I know that I can repeat that because I repeated it twice in 1 month. So I think that right there shows you that it's repeatable, because I think most people would stick with that same product, at least for a month. Like I said, because of out of stocks, I was concerned and I made that switch and I picked a different product, and it took 4 days of posting, and I had over 160 items that I sold, and it maintained itself just until yesterday. And it's an out of stock issue because we've sold so many. So it's a good problem to have, right?
Yeah. And so what are your personal goals here going into the rest of 2025? What are you trying to reach?
Well, I wanted to hit Ruby level in August, not because that really means anything, but just kind of a benchmark of 60. So I'd really like to hit Emerald on this account. So that's, I think, 125,000 GMV for September. And I really want to get my second and third accounts up to Ruby ASAP. So yeah, I have some big goals, but I think I'm confident that I can hit them. I think it's just a matter, again, of being consistent, but also using the system and not thinking that I have a better plan and going off and doing that, which is hard for me.
It's funny. I came up with the name Consistent Creator Formula on a whim, and so it turns out I think I picked the perfect name. But there's
the hardest part. That's the hardest part. That's the hardest part of all of it, is being consistent.
I think that's the true test. That's great when sometimes people have these crazy months, and then a lot of times they fall back really, not really low, but substantially lower than they were. And it's because kind of you did the same, and I did the same thing when I started. Like, I had my crazy month, my first month, and then I fell back for the next 2 months because I didn't understand why some of the stuff was working. And so that's how you hit this consistency, right? And so one final question. There's a lot of Marises in the world out there, kind of in the same boat where you were watching my content for a while, and you're on the fence, you're not getting the results that you want on TikTok Shop. If you could say anything to any of those people out there, because there's going to be many of them watching this video, what would you say to them? Any words of wisdom?
Yeah, there are two types of people out in the world, and I see those two types of people in the TikTok universe for sure. And it's those who are wanting to pay to learn. They'll pay for shortcuts, pay someone to teach you who already has the system mastered, or they try to figure it out themselves and do it for free. And they think there's so much free information out there, and there is, but so much of it is wrong. So much of it is wrong. If you really want to do this and you really want to be successful and make money at it, pay someone to teach you that has already shown the way. Don't reinvent the wheel, and invest in yourself, because when you invest in yourself, that's how you flourish, and you have a system that is really truly proven to work. And I mean, honestly, I've looked at so many different groups, and I have an agency that I love, but I've tried a lot of different educational groups on here, and none of them had the content or the tools that you do. And so if they're really looking for a solution and something to help them be successful, invest in themselves and in their business, because this is a business, and come try this out, because you don't allow them not to be successful as long as they participate. And I think your weekly calls with you and Ashley, that's a great, checkpoint each week too. So you can't really go off track. That's probably the thing that convinced me really to jump in, and you're not going to find a better program, and you're not going to find better results. And so they should just jump in and do it.
I appreciate that.
They could spend a lot more time just spinning their wheels like I did.
And again, I will give one final note here. Again, all the people that you see on this channel doing these videos, these case studies, these interviews, including Maris, they've all done a very good job of taking this, trusting it, and executing it to a T. That's the difference. And like, the thing I try to tell everybody is everything's going to be in front of your face. You just have to execute. I can't force you to post videos. I can't force you to make this feedback, ask questions. But if you can do that, everything in the world is going to be in front of your face. Maris, like I kind of talked about earlier, she did an excellent job of, from that first call to that second call, I came back to that call with her, that one-on-one call with her, and I was like, oh my gosh, you're like an entirely different person here. She asks questions, and she's constantly sending her data every single day, right? So if you read the data, apply it, do what we teach and talk about, it's really hard not to get to where you want to be. So again, Maris, thank you very much. I am very excited to see what you do for the rest of Q4 going into 2025. And guys, if you want to apply to join, you can click the link in the description, or you can go to Consistent Creator Formula. This program is designed for people who want to make $5, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 plus per month. So if you can't post every day, if you don't want to take this seriously, this is not for you. This is not a generic Discord group. But if you do want to take this seriously, and like she said, if you want to treat this as a business, and that's the only way you're going to get these life-changing money opportunities, by treating it like a business, then this is the program for you. So you can go to apply in the description, or you can go to consistentcreatorformula.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, Maris.
Yep, thanks.